Today is the start of your Little Caesars Pizza Kit fundraiser. Thank you for your attention for the next couple of minutes, and more importantly, thank you for choosing to be part of this important event. Little Caesars isn't just a fundraiser, it's dinner. Little Caesars Pizza Kits contain 3 large Little Caesars pizzas with the same dough, sauce, cheese blend, and toppings used in thousands of Little Caesars restaurants. You can't go to the grocery store and buy 3 high-quality frozen pizzas for any less. Your friends, family, and supporters get 3 convenient and delicious pizza kits, and your effort earns $6 for each item that you sell. We have cheese and pepperoni kits, crazy bread, personal pizza kits that make 9 mini pizzas, pepperoni bread, and more. Start your sale as soon as you receive your brochures. Take orders in person on the form found in the back of the catalog. Friends and family can also place orders online and have the products delivered with our order on delivery day. Just visit pizzakit.com and use our fundraiser ID code. Be sure to turn in your orders and money by the turn-in date. And don't worry, you don't need to remember all this. You'll find it all in your sale information letter. Start today. Everyone you know will be happy to get some great Little Caesars pizzas to have at home. They'll be happy to support your group. All you have to do is ask. Get started today. Share your fundraiser with your friends and family today, and ask if you can be part of the sale. Thanks for your attention, and thank you for being part of this important group event.